Meaning of inflammatory.
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 Inflammatory. The term inflammatory refers to a condition or reaction within the body that causes redness, swelling, pain, and heat. This can occur as a result of an injury, infection, or autoimmune disorder. Inflammatory responses are the body's way of fighting off harmful stimuli and promoting healing. However, if the inflammation becomes chronic or occurs inappropriately, it can contribute to the development of various diseases including arthritis, asthma, diabetes, and cancer. Therefore, it is important to manage inflammatory responses appropriately to achieve optimal health.